Now, take the vertical measurements, i.e., the hip length, crotch length, knee length, and full length. Then proceed to draw a straight line to indicate them. Divide your hip circumference by 4 and place it on the waist, hip, and crotch line. Place your thigh circumference divided by 2 on the crotch line. Mark out a diagonal line as shown, so as to guide you to form the crotch curve. Whatever you have on the crotch line, divide it by 2, then indicate it, because that'll be a foundation to draft out your straight cut pants. Next, take a vertical line from the waist to the full length of your pants. Divide your waist circumference by 4 plus your dart of 1, then mark it out on your waistline from the center. I took a half inwards from the side on the hip line. I forgot to show you. Draw a slant line from the waist to the crotch line. So sorry you can't see the waist and full length properly. I'll do better with my camera placement next time. Divide your hip circumference by 4, subtract a half, then go ahead to divide your answer by 2 before sharing it equally on the knee line. For the full length, add 1 to whatever you have on the knee line and divide by 2 before sharing it equally and placing it on the full length. Draw a straight line to connect your full length to your knee line. Then proceed to connect to the crotch line as seen. Cut. Cut if you are still with me at this stage. Thank you so much. I'd love to give you a shout out in my next video. Please drop your name in the comment section. For the back panel, I've just placed the front panel on my folded fabric, leaving 2 inches at the top and extending my waist, hip, crotch, knee and full length lines. Going in by 2 on the waistline from the center back and going up by 1.
Please just watch. I'll mark out 2 for the back crotch. Then add 1.5 from there downwards. This is for both joining and allowance.
For the waist, I'll trace out whatever I have on the front panel on the back, but in a slanted form, before tracing out a new side to join to the hip and crotch line respectively. Cut a T this point. I didn't know it stopped recording. But just go on and cut out your waistband of 1.5 or 2. Then proceed to your sewing machine to produce the most gorgeous pair of pants ever. Thanks for watching, bestie. Please like, share and leave me beautiful comments. I'd love to read from you. Until next time, please be safe. Bye for now.